Greetings, family. This is Dr. IT, stepping into your space today as your cybersecurity career coach, your advisor, and your no-nonsense guide into the world of cybersecurity. Let's talk about something serious. Landing that cybersecurity job in 2026, right? It's very, very serious. I'm not going to give you theory. I'm giving you wisdom, strategy, and the kind of marketing mindsets that makes employers stop and say, "Who is this person?" Right? I mean, that's what the whole thing is about. So let's go. Right? Number one, be everywhere, but move like a strategist. Yes, you should absolutely be on every major job platform. Indeed, LinkedIn, ZipRecruiters, Clear Jobs, Dice, Career Jobs, Jobs.com, Monster, all the InfoSec job boards. I mean, you have to be everywhere. You can just name all of them. But listen carefully. These platforms are not your final destination. No, 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 no. Don't consider that as your final destination. They are simply the billboards on a highway. Your real destination is the company's own website. That is where the real applications live, and that is where the real attentions happen. And so when you are applying to the job, do not look into the job sites, the billboards, right? Go directly to the company sites. Go straight to the source, right? It's my number 2 point, right? Go straight to the source, to the source, right? Go straight to the source. Go to number 2, right? Straight to the source. Apply on a company's website. Right? The moment you see a job you like on a job board, pause. Do not hit the easy apply. No, 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 no. Instead, head straight to the company's website. Why? Right? You may ask me, this is the most easiest way. This is the best way to apply. But why should I go to the company site? Right? Because the people who apply directly are seen first from the company site. You immediately cut through the noise of thousands of quick click applicants. You instantly send one strong message. I am serious. And that is what the companies are looking for. That alone puts you in a different category, right? It puts you ahead. So you do not have to do the easy apply. Go to the company side, right? Easy apply means thousands applies, right? Let me be honest with you. Easy apply is the biggest trap in a job hunting. You click once, so does everyone else. And guess what? Your resume is swimming in an ocean of thousands and thousands and thousands, all right? So many will never be opened. Of course, ATS systems will block most of them. So don't fall for convenience. Convenience is where dreams go to die. Strategic positioning is where careers are built, right? So always look into the strategy, how you can just get notice in the job application. Fill out the full application, even when you are tired. A lot of people will tell me it's too much, right? Fill it, right? Most people quit halfway when they see additional questions, forms, assessments, or requests for details. Sometimes it's more details. They ask you to even put references. They ask you to even put all the job descriptions. They will not even pick it up from the resume that you've attached, but they ask more. And that exactly is why you must not quit. Companies do this intentionally to filter out the ones who aren't serious. So when you finish the full application, you are already ahead of 60 to 70% of all applicants. You send a message that the employers love. I finished what I start. That alone is a gold in cybersecurity. Now, once you finish this one, you follow up. That's my number 5. Follow up. Visibility wins all the time, right? Follow up, because if you follow up, you get notice. Within 48 hours to 72 hours of applying is when you have to do this, right? Email the recruiter, connect on LinkedIn, send a short, confident message, something like, "Hi, I applied for X role. Here's why I'm a great fit for this." Share your resume, your portfolio, anything that showcases who you are. Follow up doesn't make you annoying, it makes you memorable. And memorable people get interviewed. Be intentional, not convenient. Anybody can apply for a job, right? You agree with me. Not everyone applies with intention. Intentional applicants get notice. That is one thing that I can attest to myself. They tailor resumes, they research, they present themselves like a brand. Don't just be another submission in someone's inbox. No, I normally don't see those emails. I normally don't want to open those emails. Be the one they remember, because intention builds opportunity, convenience builds frustration. So build yourself up conveniently, right? And cybersecurity is a field that rewards those who move with strategy. You don't get paid for clicking easy apply. You get paid for applying with purpose. So in 2026, here is your mission. Be everywhere, but apply smart. Be bold, but be strategic. Be intentional, not convenient, right? Your future employer is watching, even if you can't see them yet. And when they find you, I want you to say, "This is the one." Stay focused, stay committed, and I will see you at the top. All right. Thank you for joining. Follow, like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.